Here's a 2018 Chrysler 300. This 300 is a full-size sedan as bold as your personality, with elegance, technology, and safety that goes above and beyond. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, front heated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Sirius XM Guardian remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, Pentastar engine, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel drive, and Uconnect Web Wi-Fi hotspot. New car test drive think the new Chrysler 300 is the finest sedan that Chrysler Corporation has ever built. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Groganstown Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we're committed to exceptional customer satisfaction. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 6100 North Telegraph Road in Toledo, Ohio.